Go. Say something. Can you say Happy Mother's Day?
Happy Father's Day.
I'll say Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Happy Father's Day, Mommy. Happy Father's Day, Mommy.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Mommy.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah.
Happy Mommy's Day.
Oh, Mom, I love you. Yes, I do. Please wait for me, Mom. I'll be home very soon. I never knew just how much you meant to me till now. You're so many.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day!
Hello. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
E mua mua lava. Olo tele pe vale tono le no ya talo fatu le nei tula le aso. Ole so le sto na ia o fakina no fatu wina ile tina mo tina ya ta pe nai na tuma ai ko kai na lava tina. Ai ko kai na lava tina. Le ala mai alfa mo mo via me uma mau fo ye nai me alo fa mo tina. Tamo tanga o ta pe ya yele Maria tele ia le asa kina te fo i ole ta penanga mo atayao
Ya, leo sisi mai. Leo mai tau maftanga. Ale ofisa yala le famna tuina la Santina. Ya. Leo sisi mai. Le mawale le Cheko lo boye. Ya bakasa imale. Bamboy. Ya male Fernando Wayo o fruits. Ya male. Le peo me tawa le ole. Bamboy male. Ai si me ai fobia. Le mawale ofisa male na faralo.
Ya, ia ne mo tau mo le toelo fanga ia ma famolianga mo le Santina na umala mo Samoa ngata leo le ofisa nei fale ulo mo le Santina.
John, happy Mother's Day. Yeah. Love you, Mom. Thank you for everything you've done for me. We love you.
Manuia tere la Santina ile lalangi mesese mantono le ofisene.
Faftai lava mole avanoa Manuia tere la Santina mai le ofisa aulele. Hi, I'm Nia Sioneave, and this is my sister
Mate Simamau.
We're celebrating the 60th Independence.
What?
Mother's Day lunch. Okay.
O whalo whātu nei tina I atu no mamau, ma nei Samoa. I love you, Mom. Whawhatai lava.
Ia mamole atu fo ia lo faanga ina yo matu tina ma lo mai mo mai lunga le matu channel ia fa pena fo se matu tina ia filele and all of us in the office happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Hi everyone, Officer Abele. Happy Mother's Day to the Tina Mekanesia and to all the mothers in Samoa and in the world. Thank you. Love
These are the cakes for the president and President Sili for the celebration of this Mother's Day lunch prepared by the fathers of the officer. Thank you.
Ya manuia lo to waso mo le aso tayao soifua.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers of the officer. Love from the princess. Thank you.
Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, we're here at the Officer Olilei, just celebrating Mother's Day. Big shout out Mother's Day to my mum back in Australia. Brisbane, Singoki Brisbane, Kusalangi, Kamira Meko. Oh no, Kudna Meko, because they changed names. But yeah, we wish our mothers back at home Happy Mother's Day to my mother-in-law, Kakua, Niua Savainaya. And yeah, I wish all the mothers the best and hope they get spoiled from their husbands and kids. Yeah, thank you God for our mums, because yeah, they're just awesome. Huh? Yeah.
Ia o loo whamanatulas whanau o le tama ia la o le ola ia o le avanoa fo nei ia e whaamanuia tuai le aso whaapitoa mo tina malava o Samoa ma le laulangi atoa ia e whaapitoa le whaamanuia i lau o fionga le President Sili o le auso whelfane le Kalesia Metisi e meise o le auso whelfane o le ofisa o le lei manuia te le lava lo tau aso sa tina manuia fo i le sa tina i si tina pele ia faali ko ki mate ia sa malia walo to wasfia fastai tele
sa unia tumolo la to sofa pito mo le sa tayau watu ia fa manianga mo le sa tina ina na fionga presidency le auso felfan mata ko ile fa le to umo le fa ngaluenga ia sa no vo mo le to fo ia faanga le sautina mo sautina ia tino o mau ia matina malava o le lalolangi atoa ia faaftai
Here with Fuimono. What's 5 things that you like about your mom?
5 things I like about my mom. She screams a lot. She's loud. She's funny sometimes. She's productive all the time and she's active. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers of Samoa and the world. I wish nothing but the best and I pray that I grow up to be like my mom.
Angalua, what's 5 things that you like about your mom?
I
love her personality. She is very, very loud. I'm her favorite child. I love her cooking and her sewing too. You're awesome.
Hi guys. So today was all about me. Today's my birthday and I invited everyone to come celebrate me. So no one gave me presents, so rude. But it doesn't matter. No jokes. Today was all about Mother's Day. I am a mother. No jokes.
Okay guys, but yes, today was about mothers and I would like to wish all the mothers around the world happy Mother's Day.
Are you ready for some questions?
Yes, I am ready.
Can you tell me 5 things that you like about your mom?
How strong she is, the way she gardens, her fika. Oh, how much is that? Her orchids and the way she loves, yes.
Okay, so this is Vai. She's got a trick for us today.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Justin.
Justin who?
Just want to say Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, this is the man behind the scenes. Do you have any jokes, any Mother's Day jokes?
Where do horses go when they're sick?
Where do they go when they're sick?
Hospital. Be ready for the conference. Something big's gonna happen for the AUSO. We're gonna take you back all the way to the maybe 70s or 60s. Happy Mother's Day to all my mothers, all ages and all the sizes. Thank you very much.
Happy Mother's Day! Officer
Nia vanoa ta ue no fa aue mole toia anga as fa pito tina e mole toia lo fa anga so ngal presidensi lo aus fa tu ta tonu tu sai foi mole to wa so fa pito la fa pe fa sa un tuai ta lo le lo foi mole anga le toia mole so foi mole ola fa so to mau wa lo tu sa ta ue tonu kalesia no ai le ngata ilea o ainga fe awole tu ya dai ko no
ya ma lo sei fu wi ngi va ngale so ya abangwa ka won ngi mo le tu ai fa mon yang ore sa tina mo tina mo le office pre mo nei pa pe foi ya tina le fa ngal wengo ta po i fa mo chiuche pe mo tina mo lo lang alo fa tele atu pa te tele mo le.
Well, if you like this page, please subscribe and share and hit the notification button and watch it 3 times in a row and something good will happen to you early morning tomorrow before 6 a.m.
Like, share, like, share, subscribe.
Follow our YouTube, subscribe Officer Falaula events and make sure to give it a big like and hit the notification button for more.
Yeah, like, share and subscribe. I just don't like this guy, but yeah, just like it.
Like, share, it's good.